Another house plan video coming your way. Join me. This is Irene from Untitled Architecture. Let's take a look at the Shania 4-bedroom house plan. The Shania 4-bedroom house plan is a stunning piece of architecture. If you're looking for a traditional English classical home design with a cottage feel, then this house plan is perfect for you. This 4-bedroom all-en-suite house plan is luxurious, spacious, with a well-thought-out floor plan. The house design makes a great family house that provides more than enough space for comfortable living with a lot of room for growth and expansion. Downstairs, we have a spacious outdoor terrace that leads into the entrance hall of the house. At the entrance hall, a shared half bathroom is discreetly tucked away at the corner. This bathroom is easily accessible for your guest but remains very private. From the entrance hall, you have a passageway that cuts the downstairs space diagonally. On one entire side, you have a spacious lounge. The unique shape of the lounge gives you a lot of room and options for your furniture arrangement. On the other side of the passageway, you have a kitchen complete with a pantry, a dining room, and the staircase. A spacious guest bedroom is located at the right-hand corner, complete with its own spacious private bathroom. From the kitchen, there is a door that leads to the back of the house. At the back of the house, you have a laundry room with a Dobby sink and enough space to install your washer and your dryer, as well as a spacious ensuite domestic servant's quarter. The staircase takes you upstairs to a well-sized landing that filters into 3 spacious ensuite bedrooms. The master bedroom shares the same unique shape as the lounge, giving you a lot of options on how to arrange your bedroom furniture. The master bathroom has enough space for a bathtub or even a jacuzzi for maximum comfort and indulgence. The 2 other ensuite bedrooms upstairs are pretty much equal in size with spacious bathrooms. All the bedrooms upstairs have access to a balcony overlooking the front side of the house. The Shania 4-bedroom house plan has a total of 243 square meters. On the lower ground floor, you have 118 square meters. On the upper level, you have 125 square meters, and the domestic servants' quarter is 22 square meters. The plinth dimension of this house plan is 19.2 meters by 10.5 meters. This is inclusive of the DSQ. This house plan is perfectly suited to fit on a 50 by 100 piece of land, that is 1/8 of an acre. You'll be able to build this house comfortably and leave yourself enough room all around for your landscaping, your parking, your kitchen garden and walkways. The average cost of construction using basic average finishes is between 25,000 to 35,000 Kenya shillings per square meter, according to the latest published rates given by the Institute of Quantity Surveyors of Kenya. This house plan has a total of 265 square meters. So given these rates, it would cost you about 6.6 million to 9.3 million to construct this home. Keep in mind that a lot of factors can affect the cost of construction, including the location of the project. That is the Shania 4-bedroom house plan. As always, subscribe, like and comment on this video if you have any questions. You can also get in touch with us. We have provided our office location details and our telephone contacts. If this is your house plan, get in touch with us. We'll see you in our next video.